Hey, Tommy. Oh my God.
Look, I have more bread here behind the ball.
Huh?
I have more bread behind the ball.
Yeah.
Oh, there come more birdies.
Mommy.
Hey, just feeding the birdies. Throw again.
Where? Mommy.
Yeah?
I can hear Tommy hot.
Huh?
I can hear Tommy hot.
His tummy doesn't hurt?
No.
Why? Because he's eating? Okay.
Maybe.
Adrian, don't go closer because then they're gonna run. Then they're gonna fly away.
Yes.
Adrian, don't throw no more. He's getting scared. He's gonna fly away.
And that's it?
Yeah, that's it. Adrian, don't get closer. He's gonna fly away. Yep.
Can I get ice no more?
Huh?
Can I get ice now?
You wanna get an ice?
Yeah.
You wanna share one with me? Which one you want?
Come on, I saw you.
You gonna show me?
Uh-huh.
All right, come. You wanna get a coconut?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's coconut.
Yeah, the white one is the coconut.
Huh?
The white one is the coconut. You wanna get a coconut? This one.
Yeah.
You wanna eat that with me?
Oh my God.
You want the strawberry one?
I'm gonna try both.
Only one. Which one you want? You want strawberry or want the coconut?
Strawberry.
Which one you want?
Strawberry.
Okay,
I mean, strawberry.
What do you want?
Strawberry.
Okay, I get coconut.
I want strawberry.
Okay, coconut.
I want strawberry.
Alright, I get strawberry.
Mommy, that's coconut. I got strawberry.
Huh?
You got coconut and you got strawberry.
I get coconut and you get strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay, let me have money. You have money? You have money?
Yeah. In my pocket.
You have money? No?
Go bubble.
Oh, yeah, your bubble in your pocket?
Mommy, have bubble.
I have, no, you have your bubble.
Mommy,
All right.
have